Hi friend, welcome to the S&D Innovations. In this video I'll show you how to make a mini emergency lamp, and it will give you backup of about 2 hours. So we'll not waste your time, let's start the project. So you must require this following equipment to build this mini emergency lamp, and the most important part is the aluminum body, which is required to dissipate the heat of the SLD unit. So I have used a broken cover of mobile phone to use the front glass. So friend, let's have a look into the circuit drawing. You can see it here, the material list: TP4056 lithium ion charging module, 18650 lithium ion battery. I have used about 3200 mAh battery, 1 watt blue SLD, 3 watt white LED or SLD, switch 3 numbers, and SLD strip 1 number. So let's have a look into the circuit drawing. So you can see friend, so this is basically a high power mini emergency lamp, and it will give backup of about 2 hours continuously, and the total body is made of aluminum to dissipate the heat of the SLD unit. So friend, I have to build some of the parts with the help of 3D printer. You can use any material to build this. So I have installed all the internal component as per the circuit drawing, and the total unit is installed inside the metal cabinet, and it is made of aluminum, as I have already stated you earlier, to dissipate the heat of SLD, because this type of unit will become very hot on using, and to radiate the heat of the SLD we have to install it in a metal casing and aluminum. So you can see friend, the entire build part is almost completed, and after installing all the component it is looking amazing. This type of unit will cost you around 70 rupees, but if you want to purchase this type of unit it will cost you about 350 to 400 rupees, and those unit are made of plastic, not metal. So it is better to build this type of unit by yourself. And I have provided a blue LED, 3 watt focusable torch unit, and a 20 watt SLD strip. So this type of unit you can use in your car in any type of emergency work, and it is very portable. The size of this unit is not much big enough, you can see it here friend, and it is very portable. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.